How to restore Instagram's deleted photos. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily restore your deleted photos on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing that you need to do, open up your Instagram, and then from here you are just going to go ahead and head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. Now let's say if I just delete a random post here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this and then delete this post. So let me just go ahead and tap on it and then delete the post like so. So what happens is it will stay on your recently deleted folders for up to 30 days. So you just have to make sure that it has been not more than 30 days so that you can recover it easily. For that, tap on the menu icon at the top right, and here you'll find multiple options. So just tap on recently deleted. First off, head over to your activity, and then here you'll find your recently deleted, and you'll see all of your recently deleted posts. So just tap on the post that you want to recover, or the video or the photo that you want to recover. And once you do that, you have an option to restore. So just tap on it and then tap on restore. Now it will be back on your profile. So let me just go back to my profile, refresh my profile once, and the deleted photo or the video will come back. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.